Idiogram just dropped its biggest update yet, Idiogram 3.0, and it's packed with powerful features that take AI-generated design to the next level. Whether you're into graphic design, print on demand, t-shirt creation, or just love experimenting with generative tools, this version has something for you. Now, if you've used Idiogram before, you already know it stood out for its ability to handle text-based art like a pro. But with version 3.0, they're pushing the envelope even further, offering hyper-realistic image generation, consistent visual styles, and text rendering that could give Adobe a run for its money. Right off the bat, the team behind Idiogram made a bold claim. Idiogram 3.0 is not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. They describe it as combining stunning realism, creative designs, and consistent styles into one powerful model. And now it's available to everyone, both on the web and in the iOS app. They're not shy about backing it up either. According to their benchmarks, Idiogram 3.0 scores the highest in ELO ratings across a variety of prompt types, beating out competing text-to-image models in accuracy and aesthetics. So, what makes 3.0 such a game changer? One of the headline features of Idiogram 3.0 is the ability to use style references. Essentially, you can upload up to 3 different reference images, and Idiogram will match the style, whether it's vibrant 2D animation, gritty realism, or dreamy impressionism. In the demo from their announcement video, you see a single uploaded image being transformed into entirely different scenes. A bowling alley, a Cadillac diner, even a treehouse, all maintaining that same artistic flavor. That's impressive because consistency in visual style has always been a challenge in generative AI. To put this to the test, a style reference image of The Simpsons was uploaded. Then a simple prompt, a Corvette driving fast on a highway in California, was entered. The result? A series of images that looked straight out of Springfield. Palm trees, colorful skies, exaggerated cartoonish curves, all wrapped around a racing Corvette. No fine-tuning needed. Next, the same prompt was tried using Vincent van Gogh's iconic Starry Night painting as the style reference. The generated images came out with swirling skies, intense blues and yellows, and the unmistakable impressionist flair. It's not just mimicking, it's translating prompts through artistic lenses. If you're a designer, marketer, or content creator, this is where things get exciting. Idiogram 3.0 introduces smarter layout generation and stylized text formatting tailored for real-world use cases. We're talking book covers, social media graphics, brand ads, and more. One major improvement is how the AI interprets and positions text within the layout. Previous versions, and even rival platforms, often failed to deliver text that was readable or correctly placed. Idiogram 3.0, however, produces cleaner, more legible typography embedded within thoughtfully composed designs. The results speak volumes: ads that look agency-level polished, posters that feel custom designed, and book covers that wouldn't look out of place in a bookstore, all generated with a prompt. Perhaps the boldest promise from Idiogram 3.0 is its claim to stunning realism. AI imagery often suffers from small but noticeable errors, hands with too many fingers, warped eyes, or strange lighting. But the team claims this version blurs the line between what's generated and what's real. To test this, a t-shirt mockup was generated using a prompt that specified everything down to the lighting and background. A high-quality apparel mockup featuring a person wearing a plain black unisex t-shirt standing in natural light with realistic fabric folds and texture. Clean, modern, and studio-style background. Emphasized cotton texture, rolled sleeves, and a modern retail fit. The first result still showed some branded text like Bella Canvas on the shirt, which wasn't part of the prompt, so a few tweaks were made. The modified prompt removed any mention of brand names, and it delivered far better results. Realistic textures, believable lighting, and most importantly, mockups that actually looked usable for e-commerce stores or product listings. While realism isn't perfect, there were still a few artifacts, it's getting dangerously close to eliminating the need for expensive product photo shoots. Of course, one of Idiogram's most standout capabilities is handling text within images, not just single words, but full sentences, quotes, slogans, or complex typographic layouts. And this is where 3.0 makes a statement. For the final test, a complex t-shirt design prompt was submitted in the books and reading niche, something with multiple lines of meaningful text, the kind of thing that would typically break older AI models or produce gibberish. The results? Surprisingly legible, surprisingly aligned, and stylistically on brand. While some outputs needed a second pass or a little prompt engineering, the sheer improvement over previous versions and other tools was undeniable. For those in the print-on-demand world, this is huge. Now you can generate concept art, Instagram ads, mockups, and even near ready-to-sell designs, without switching between 5 different apps. Let's talk usability, because all the upgrades in Idiogram 3.0 wouldn't mean much if the interface became a maze. Fortunately, that's not the case. Despite the powerful new features and deeper customization options, the user interface remains clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned pro, you won't feel overwhelmed. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find quick access to different model versions, 1.0, 2A, and the new and improved 3.0. Each model offers unique capabilities, but 3.0 is clearly the star of the show, offering the most advanced image generation and interpretation to date. Next to the model selector, you'll also spot the magic prompt toggle. This smart feature can be left on to automatically enhance and interpret your text prompts, helping you get better results with less effort. One of the most noticeable additions in Idiogram 3.0 is the new Style tab. Here, you can now upload reference images to guide your generations more precisely, but that's just the beginning. The standout feature is the new style code functionality. With style codes, you can extract the look and feel, or aesthetic, from a reference image and apply that same visual language to new creations. It's a powerful way to maintain design continuity, whether you're working on a cohesive brand project or trying to replicate a particular mood across multiple images. The realistic style filter has also gotten a meaningful upgrade. It now produces images with more believable surface textures, improved lighting that mimics real-world conditions, and accurate proportions that help make scenes and objects look more lifelike. These changes are especially useful for generating high-quality fashion previews, product mockups, or marketing visuals that need a touch of realism. For those who love exploring what others are making, Idiogram 3.0 has introduced a community image feed, where you can scroll through user-submitted creations. There's even a fun t-shirt filter that showcases how designs look on apparel. Whether you're looking for fresh ideas, checking trends, or just killing time, this feed is a creative rabbit hole worth diving into. Idiogram offers multiple model versions for flexibility. The newest 3.0 model is the most capable, offering the highest fidelity and style consistency. However, it consumes more credits and takes a bit longer to generate results. Model 2A is a nice middle ground, faster and cheaper, but still powerful for simpler prompts or exploratory design. Model 1.0, while still available, is mostly outdated by comparison. Pro tip: for commercial use or portfolio-grade images, stick with 3.0. But if you're cranking out ideas or rapid-fire iterations, 2A might be your go-to. To sum it up, Idiogram 3.0 isn't just a facelift. It's a fundamental leap in what's possible with AI-generated imagery. From consistent style transfer using reference images to enhanced layout design for professionals, and from shockingly realistic product mockups to complex typographic visuals, 3.0 proves that generative AI can be useful and beautiful. The most exciting part? It's not some exclusive beta. It's available to all users right now, in both the browser and iOS app. If you're serious about design, content creation, or selling anything visual online, it's worth diving in. And hey, while this isn't a sponsored video, if you're planning to try Idiogram, check out the link in the description. Using it gets you 100 bonus priority credits if you sign up for a paid plan. That means faster image generation and more creative freedom. Idiogram 3.0 shows us that AI design tools aren't just fun to play with anymore. They're now real creative partners. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, press the subscribe button, and also drop your thoughts in the comments section.